the powers to pre-audit state spending. The Affordable Care Act goes into effect today.
Missourians are now able to apply for health insurance in the open marketplace.
KOMU 8's Christina Alexander joins us live with details on when you should apply and what Missouri community is benefiting from the act.
Hospitals like this one could see more patients walking through their doors. Advocates say the Affordable Care Act, also known as Obamacare, will benefit the lesbian, gay, bisexual, transgender, and queer community in Missouri. I spoke to some members of the LGBTQ community who say this is a step in the right direction.
The LGBTQ community has not had it easy in the past.
The LGBT community is historically, especially in America, discriminated against as far as healthcare goes.
According to Promo, a pro-LGBTQ advocacy group, the Affordable Care Act will benefit the LGBTQ community in 4 ways. Health insurance plans cannot discriminate in benefits or costs based on sexual orientation or gender identity. Insurance must cover vital services like prescription drugs, preventative services, hospital stays, and mental and behavioral health services. Companies can't discriminate against people with pre-existing conditions like cancer and HIV. Consumers will be able to find a plan that fits their budget.
I personally like the idea of making sure everybody in the nation has healthcare coverage, that everybody can afford it, and that everybody is covered under not one policy, but like under one overarching bill.
These 4 benefits aren't the only important changes to the act.
One of the most significant things that I see in the Affordable Care Act is that they have included the language of sexual orientation and gender identity.
According to Gabria, including such language is important to avoid discrimination because it could help other organizations like the University of Missouri to include it in its policies.
Promo's Tracy McCreary also told me, quote, "We believe that we're past the point of healthcare being a political match. The ACA is the law of the land. We are dedicated to educating our members on how they can access quality, affordable healthcare insurance." Opponents of the act say it's unclear how the act would work and think it's too expensive. Reporting live in Columbia, Christina Alexander, KOMU 8 News.